New technology of VGS. VGS Corporation offers casing leak repair technologies using X-Band casing tubing patches to restore casing integrity of old and non-operating well stock. Technology allows to restore casing integrity with long interval of damage. To connect broken and destroyed parts of casing. To isolate water layers. Technology advantages: economy of time and cost during casing leak repair, reduces input of materials during casing leak repair compared with the same methods. X-Band technology consists of several stages. During the first stage, the reaming mill, rabbler, and drift mandrel is run on tubing lower than the problem zone is located, in order to prepare the well for the further casing tubing patch run into the specified interval. After scraping, drifting, and damage zone reaming, the tool is retrieved from the well and casing tubing patch with hydraulic setting tool is run on tubing into the interval after the precise length measurement till the maker joint was made. During the third stage, casing tubing patch is positioned into the damaged interval using a geophysical tool which is run into the tubing on wire line with the marker joint. During the fourth stage, cementing unit creates a hydraulic pressure of 24 to 26 MPa in the tubing on the wellhead and actuates the hydraulic setting tool which sets the casing tubing patch. Top and bottom elements swag the patch walls, pressing it into the casing walls, fixing the patch firmly in the well. The damaged interval is now isolated. Tubing with a hydraulic tool is pulled out of the hole. Then, well pressure testing should be made by interflowing pressurization, or it may be necessary to make an interval integrity log.